Morning, dear students. I hope you are taking care of yourself. Okay, we have already started with chapter number 5, that is In Search of Peace, Buddha and Mahavir. I have already sent you one video regarding the chapter, regarding the introduction of the chapter and what we have seen about Gautam Buddha, about his lifestyle and everything. Let us recall quickly what we have done in the chapter up till now. It says in the first paragraph that in the 6th century BC, there were different reformers who wanted to bring changes into the lifestyle of the people. They wanted to have the reforms in terms of social and religious sectors. And Gautam Buddha and Mahavir, they both were the people who wanted to bring the reform in terms of social inequality. And there were many things which were being practiced in society. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें थी जो सोसाइटी में प्रैक्टिस हो रही थी उस टाइम, और कहीं ना कहीं गौतम बुद्ध और महावीर स्वामी को ऐसा लगा कि हमें सोसाइटी में चेंजेस लाने चाहिए. चेंजेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी which was been counted as a curse. Then widow remarriage, उनको they felt that the woman who lost their husband at a very young age, तो कहीं ना कहीं they should be given the permission for remarriage. चाइल्ड मैरिज, जो चाइल्ड मैरिज की जो प्रथा चलती थी, they Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami and other reformers also felt that they should be stopped. So somewhere for finding the peace, Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami, they did many things. So let us study about Gautam Buddha. It says we get many of the informations about the pre-birth of Gautam Buddha in there are many 550 stories. Jatak stories are associated with the pre-birth of Gautam Buddha. Let us see now. गौतम बुद्ध कहां पे बिलोंग करते थे, कौन से किंगडम को बिलोंग करते थे, what was the name of his father, his mother, how did he spend his life. Further it says there was a kingdom called Kapilavastu. Kapilavastu करके एक किंगडम था where in the foothills of Himalayas while going towards Nepal, and the Kshatriyas of Kapilavastu, they were being called as Sakyas over there. And this Kapilavastu kingdom, it was a republic. As I already stated earlier into the previous video, that you are aware of the meaning of the word republic, because we have already done into the previous sem about the meaning of the word monarchy, republic, democratic and so on. Sudodana, here, he was the father of Gautam Buddha, and Maya Devi, she was the mother of Gautam Buddha. It says like in 566 BC, Gautam Buddha was born in the house of Sudodana and Maya Devi in 566 BC. His childhood name was Siddhartha. जब गौतम बुद्ध छोटे थे तो उनको किस नाम से जाना जाता था? By the name of Siddhartha. And after few days of his birth, his mother Maya Devi died. So Siddhartha, when he was small, after the birth of Siddhartha, after few days of the birth of Siddhartha, उनकी जो mother थे Maya Devi, she died. She passes away. Then it says Gautam Buddha was being nurtured, he was being taken care by Gautami Maya Devi, who was her, it is not Maya Devi, it is Mahaprajati. Gautami Mahaprajati. It was Gautami Mahaprajati who had taken care of Gautam Buddha, and Gautam Buddha was being brought up by Gautami Mahaprajati. Okay, further it says like गौतम बुद्ध के जहां पे उनका किंगडम था कपिलवस्तु किंगडम, उनके पास में ही एक मोनेस्ट्री थी, एंड द सेंट हु वाज देयर, इट वाज द नेम ऑफ द सेंट इज अलारा कालम, एंड गौतम बुद्ध मेड हिम हिज गुरु. गौतम बुद्ध वहां पे मेडिटेशन सीखने जाते थे, मेडिटेशंस करते थे, एंड ही लर्न मेनी थिंग्स बिकॉज़ गौतम बुद्ध वाज फॉन्ड ऑफ स्टडीज एंड नॉलेज. उनको नॉलेज और स्टडीज के लिए बहुत ही लगाव था. फर्दर गौतम बुद्ध स्टार्टेड practicing meditation in this ashram. सुदोधना जो थे उनको कहीं ना कहीं he was worried about Gautam Buddha. क्यों? क्योंकि Gautam Buddha he was talking much more about sadhana and knowledge. So Sudodana he was worried about that कि क्या अगर Gautam Buddha ने if he becomes the saint या वो साधु बन गए तो क्या होगा. Then further it says Gautam Buddha की आगे की लाइफ में बताया जा रहा है कि he had been married at an early stage. His wife name was Yasodhara and his son name is Rahul. Today we will be covering the topic about home sacrifice and sadhana. गौतम बुद्ध ने कौन सी एज में ही sacrifice his home, देन वेयर डिड यू गो फॉर साधना, किन लोगों से मिले, कौन सी जगह पे गए. सो टुडे वी विल बी कवरिंग दैट टॉपिक. At the age of 30, he decided to renounce his royal family and state and become a saint in search of truth. So he says, home sacrifice in sadhana में कौन सी एज में? At the age of 30. जो 30 years की उनकी एज थी, तब वो अपना घर छोड़ देते. Why? Because he wanted to find the meaning of the truth. That's why he says he renounced his royal family and state and became a saint in search of truth. उन्होंने उनका जो घर बार है, जो रॉयल फैमिली को बिलोंग करते थे, वो सब कुछ छोड़ दिया उन्होंने. क्यों? Because he wanted to become a saint. साधु बनना था. He wanted to find out the real meaning of truth. One night he took his charioteer Chana and horse Kantha. जो चन्ना थे वो कौन थे? वो उनके चैरियटर थे. और उनके जो हॉर्स थे उनका नाम क्या था? इट इज कंथक. तो एक रात को क्या होता है कि वो उनके जो चैरियटर, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड चैरियटर? जो रथ चलाते हैं, ठीक है, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द चैरियटर. उनको लेकर और उनका जो हॉर्स है कंथक, उनको लेकर वो स्टेट के बाहर चले जाते हैं. सो वन नाइट ही टुक हिज चैरियटर चना एंड हॉर्स कंथक एंड वेंट टू रिवर बैंक आउटसाइड हिज स्टेट. लिविंग हिज रॉयल अटायर, he gave all his jewelry to Chana and ordered him to take Kanthak along with him and return to the palace. फिर क्या करते हैं कि as and when he leaves out the state, वो अपने स्टेट से बाहर चले जाते हैं एक रिवर साइड एरिया पे. Then he stops over there और वो उनके जो चैरियटर थे चना, उनको ऑर्डर करते हैं कि you take back this horse and his all belongings. Belongings मतलब उनके जो कपड़े हैं, उनकी जो ज्वेलरीज है, वो सब कुछ उनके चैरियटर को देते हैं. एंड गौतम बुद्ध सेज टू टेक एवरीथिंग बैक टू द स्टेट और वापिस कपिलावस्तु किंगडम है वहां पे वो चले जाए. He himself wore the Asiatic clothes of the hermit and walked towards the jungle. Then what happens कि जो गौतम बुद्ध थे उन्होंने फिर जो उनके जो रॉयल अटायर, जो राजा जैसे कपड़े पहनते थे, वो सब कुछ उन्होंने उनके जो चैरियटर थे उनको देने के बाद जिस तरह साधु कपड़े पहनते हैं, he wears the same type of the clothes, Asiatic clothes, and then he moves towards the jungle. After leaving his home, he went to Rajgiri and then to Kuruvela. फिर वो जंगल में चले जाते हैं और फिर एक दो जगह पे जाते हैं. The name of the places are Rajgiri and Kuruvela. Here he started penance with 5 Brahmins. वहां पे वो 5 ब्राह्मण्स को देखते हैं एंड देन स्टार्ट्स द हैविंग द मेडिटेशंस और उनके साथ वो सीखते हैं. पेनेंस विद 5 ब्राह्मण्स. He felt that giving up food and water and tormenting the body would not yield knowledge. So he thought कि जो 5 ब्राह्मण्स वहां पे जो इस तरह की साधना कर रहे हैं, मेडिटेशंस कर रहे हैं, वो लोग ना कुछ खा रहे हैं ना कुछ पी रहे हैं और अपने बॉडी को उस हिसाब से मतलब वो दे आर गिविंग द मेंटल सफरिंग टू द बॉडी. तो ये सब करने से he would not get the thing what he wanted. कहीं ना कहीं उनको ऐसा लगता था he would not get the knowledge. So Gautam Buddha felt कि if I will not eat, if I will not drink, and by doing this I am harming my body, I am giving tiredness to my body, and this way I will not achieve what I want to achieve. Conquering the path of self-consciousness and the desire is the major duty of human beings. Leaving 5 Brahmins, he decided to do penance alone. Then further आगे ये बता रहा है कि गौतम बुद्ध what he decided कि जो 5 ब्राह्मण जिस तरह अपना the way they were following, उनको छोड़ के he thought कि let me leave the 5 Brahmins and let me do the penance by myself. Sitting under the peepal tree at Bodhi Gaya, he started sadhana for truth and enlightenment. Further he says जब वो 5 ब्राह्मण को छोड़ के आगे चले जाते हैं, then he sits under the peepal tree. Peepal tree के अंदर वो बैठ जाते हैं, उनके नीचे बैठते हैं at Bodhi Gaya and he started sadhana. फिर अपनी साधना वो वहां पे बैठ के शुरू करते हैं. क्यों? For the truth and enlightenment. After many days of sadhana, he got knowledge on the day of Vaisakh Purnima. Father says बहुत सारे दिनों के बाद एक दिन जब ऐसा आता है that he finally achieves what he wanted to achieve. That is, he got knowledge on the day of Vaisakh Purnima. On acquiring knowledge, he became Buddha from Siddhartha. तो जब उनको नॉलेज मिल जाती है, जो उनको फाइंड आउट करना है उनको मिल जाता है, ट्रुथ के बारे में उनको मिल जाता है, तब वो सही मायने में वो गौतम सिद्धार्थ से वो क्या बन जाते हैं, गौतम बुद्ध. एंड रिपीट वंस अगेन, ऑन एक्वायरिंग नॉलेज ही बिकम्स बुद्धा फ्रॉम सिद्धार्थ. Buddha means conscious or wise. That is the meaning of the word Buddha. What is the meaning? It means conscious or wise. It also means like it becomes clever. Later on, he was being called as Gautam Buddha. फिर जैसे जैसे टाइम पास होने लगा, जो इन्होंने ट्रूथ और नॉलेज के बारे में फाइंड आउट किया, इसके लिए उसके बाद गौतम बुद्ध जो है उनका नाम पहले सिद्धार्थ था, फिर उसके बाद उनका नाम चेंज हो गया. Later on, he was being called as Gautam Buddha. So this is all about गौतम बुद्ध, जो उन्होंने ओम सेक्रीफाइस करने के बाद उन्होंने और साधना करने के बाद उन्होंने क्या मतलब व्हाट डिड ही अचीव. लेट अस रिकॉल वंस अगेन. जैसे उन्होंने अपना घर लाइक एट द एज ऑफ 30 उन्होंने अपना घर छोड़ दिया. एक रात को उन्होंने ऐसा ही फेल्ट दैट ही शुड रिनाउंस एवरीथिंग, हिज रॉयल फैमिली, ही लीव्स हिज स्टेट, गोस टू द रिवर बैंक अलोंग विद द चैरियटर चना एंड द हॉर्स नेम इज the name of the horse is Kanthak. He gives everything, tells the charioteer to take everything back to the state, and he wears the Asiatic clothes. साधु बन जाते हैं और वो जंगल में चले जाते हैं. Then he meets 5 Brahmins and further like उनको 5 Brahmins के साथ रहने के बावजूद भी somewhere he was not getting what he wanted to achieve. Finally, like he leaves the Brahmin, then he sits under the people tree at Bodhi Gaya and starts his sadhana for the truth and enlightenment. And a day comes, that is on the Vaisakh Purnima, he achieves what he wanted to achieve. So this is all over here in this video. As and when we meet into the live session, if you have any doubts, I will be explaining you the topic, and please see the video. And when we meet into the live session, we will discuss everything. Till then, everyone, take care and be safe.